welcome to my channel, Get Crafty with Zoe. Today we're gonna do a Llama Valentine's Day card from simpleeverydayMom.com. And go check out the website so you can download the template. It's easy and you can give it to your family and friends. Let's get started! And this is the stuff, the template that you'll be needing. It's better off looking at the websites at the instructions, but we'll be showing you how to make the cards. So, first we're gonna cut the full head thing. But if you're Olivia's size, you'll be needing your older siblings or your parents to help little kids like Olivia. And if you're like me, you can cut it by yourself. So we are done cutting this out. But this thing, we don't have any peach colored paper, so we colored it with a peach colored crayon. So first you'll be needing to put this there, then put on the head. Just put on the glue. Come on, come here. Under the glue. Under the glue light. There you go. Maybe the cap. Now you'll be needing to put on the ears, but color it first with the coloring. Okay. Here, borrow mine. No thanks. Here you go. And then when you're done with that, you need to put on the cheeks. Time to put on the cheeks. I'm done. Now time to glue all the ew. Yeah, my ear. Okay, next is the bodies. Yeah, next is the bodies. Here go, Wowie. Thank you, baby girl. Glue this on. Now, we need to put on the fluff thingies. So, can I borrow? I'm making my nail. No, you can't look at me. You can't look at the llama. You need to edit that. I'll borrow yours. Let me just walk. Stop it. Do you like this, Olivia? Yeah! But here you go. Again, if if you want to know where the template is, it's from simpleeverydaymom.com. If you like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button. Come up. Ding!